In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Roblox voice chat in 2025 without your ID. So to enable voice chat, we first need to head over to an internet browser and just launch up the website roblox.com. Now, once you're on this website, make sure you're signed into your account and then click on the settings icon in the top right hand side. Select settings, select privacy and content maturity, select content maturity, and then you'll need to adjust this slider all the way over to moderate. Then select account info from the left navigation, and the first thing you'll need to do is make sure your email address is verified. If you haven't already done this, then go and verify this now. Now, in order to enable voice chat without requiring ID, we need to verify our phone number instead. So you can do this by clicking on add phone and then selecting your area or country code. Once you've entered your phone number, press continue, and now you'll receive a 6-digit verification code to the number that you provided. Simply enter the 6-digit code and press continue, and decide whether you want to let your friends find you. Typically, you want to press no and select done. Now, once you've verified both your phone number and email address, we can click on privacy and content maturity from the left hand side, click on communication, and from communication, select voice chat. Now, all you need to do is make sure microphone is turned on and enabled. If you don't see the voice chat option underneath communication, then you'll either need to wait for this feature to become available, or what you can do is try contacting customer service just by clicking on help in the bottom navigation, scroll down and click on how do I turn on voice chat, scroll down again and select need more help, contact support here. And then all you'll simply need to do is go through these list of options, and you can just write a description along the lines of I have verified both my phone number and email, and voice chat is still missing. So once you've enabled your microphone from this window, we can head over to the Roblox application and just launch a game. Now, once you're inside of your game, click on the settings icon in the top left hand side, select settings, scroll down to input device, and this is where you need to select your microphone. For the output device, we can either set this to our speakers or headphones, and then you can close out of this window to save your settings. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you enable voice chat in Roblox. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.